Good morning Kenwood followers, and welcome to another Source Sounds video of a Suzuki Jimny on a 2010, and here we have fitted the KENWOOD DMX5020DABS. So you've just got a little bit of reflection from the back seats there. So this particular unit has FM radio, DAB radio, it gives us Bluetooth connectivity, we've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so we see there we've got Apple CarPlay illuminated. So if you go into there, gives us then Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, Facilitate, it'll do to text messages. You've got your phone, so no favourites there. Your missed calls, received calls. Gives contacts, we can use Siri to give you voice dialing. Back from there, you've then got Apple Music, where you've got all your music stuff. You'd have Spotify if you've got it on your phone. And then if we go back to the KENWOOD unit, so this gives us, like I said, DAB radio, FM radio, we've got Bluetooth streaming for phone calls and music. We've got a USB socket, and then just in the glove box, we've got USB connection there. And obviously you can see we've got an iPhone plugged in, which is giving us the Apple CarPlay connectivity. If you'd like any more information about these products, you can give us a call on 0114 257 1550 or visit our website sourcesounds.com. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.